All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. I'm currently in Grand Junction on the west side of town at a Love's gas station with my buddy Chris on the way to Utah. I'm actually going out to Utah because although Colorado has been having some great quality snow lately, it seems like there's nowhere better in North America right now to actually be skiing or snowboarding than Utah. They've been getting such good snow quality the last couple weeks, and we thought there'd be nothing better than maybe go out there, check out a couple resorts. So today we're actually gonna be driving to one of the smallest resorts in Utah, but one of my favorites. And we're gonna be getting there in probably the next 6 hours or so. Got a lot more driving to do, got a couple more stops on the way, but either way, sun's popping up over these mountains here in Colorado, and we're just about to go into Utah. So great way to start the day. Been driving since about 3 a.m. and cannot wait to get to Utah, you guys. I'm so pumped. Let's get back on the road. Let's go. All right, gang, Chris and I just got to Brighton Ski Resort, and right now it is howling wind outside. There's just snow coming down everywhere. Did not think it was gonna start as soon as when we got here. I thought the wind was gonna be a little lighter, but we're gonna grab our gear, get our stuff on, see if we can't get a little warmed up for after about an 8-hour drive and see how we do. But we're so excited to be back up here at Brighton. Let's go. How's it going?
Good, mate. I watch your YouTube videos.
No way? You do?
I do. I watch lots of them.
No way, man. What's your name?
Damien.
Damien? Nice to meet you. I'm Cory.
Yeah.
Good to meet you, man. Thank you.
They're very good. They help me a lot. They're very informative.
Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you. You mind if I put you in the video?
Huh?
Yeah?
Jeez.
Good, man. Nice meeting you guys.
Is that the guy with the orange Subaru?
That's the guy. I drove it today. Just came up from Denver. Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, you guys enjoy the day.
Yeah, you too.
Awesome. Good meeting you.
Okay, bye.
All right, guys. Back to Brighton. If I can see. I think we're at Brighton. That was so cool up top. There's a guy, Damien, and his kids. They're from Australia, and they saw me in line and they recognized me, and it was just so cool to meet them. I love it when there's a fan out there, especially on YouTube, that just comes and says hi, and they enjoy the work and they appreciate the videos. That's the kind of stuff right there that makes me want to do this forever. I loved it. So Damien and you guys, you kids, it was great meeting you, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Nice little groomer to warm up today. It's so windy out here, but the conditions are damn good. Some good snow underneath us. I know this is the start of 3 days of snow, but Utah, like I was saying earlier, is just getting pounded with snow these last few months. And right now, I mean, you can't even argue. It's the best place in America right now to be skiing. Like I always say, Colorado is a baby. I would rather ski there more than anywhere in the world, but right now, Utah, she's looking pretty good. Back down to the base at Brighton. Already a good start to the day, you guys. Let's have one. What are you doing? All right, gang, so Chris and I have been basically just staying off this one lift throughout the last couple runs here at Brighton at the Crest lift. One thing about today is like it's still completely overcast, windy, and there's still snow coming down all around us. So I'm pretty much just drenched right now from all the snow that's been dropping. But one of the bummers about today is the Great Western Express actually closed early because of the high winds up here at Brighton today this afternoon. But I feel like there's so much untouched off of the Crest lift, actually in these trees that we found. Like there's still fresh trails through all of this. So I just actually don't know how, because there's a lot of people here today, being a Monday. This whole area of trees off of the Crest lift have just not even been touched. So we're just gonna keep riding this. But either way, you guys, like first day back in Utah, having such a blast. Good day, good turns. What more can you ask for? Let's get back at it. All right, gang, so my buddy Chris and I just made it to our hotel for the next 2 nights. Just wanted to tell you guys, had an awesome day with Chris. It just feels so good to be back here in Utah. I absolutely love Colorado. Like, you guys know how much I love that state, and to do pretty much everything outdoorsy there is just amazing. But there's just something also that should be said about Utah and just how special it is here to ski and be outside. It's just a great community. Utah just has so much to offer with all of its ski resorts so close to Salt Lake City in driving distance. It's one of those things too where we always talk about, but it goes unsaid, that in Colorado you have to drive more than like an hour and 15 minutes to any ski resort to really like have a good day. Where in Utah, it's like you drive up Big or Little Cottonwood Canyon and it's like a half-hour drive max. And it's just so nice to have some of the most world-renowned ski resorts and best snow quality right now in the world, pretty much about a half hour from your fingertips. So it's just so good to be back here. Real quick, I also just want to give a quick shout out to Damien and his 2 kids that were up at Brighton today. They saw me on the lift line, said hello. It was really great to meet you guys, and just the fact that you are enjoying the videos and even spotted my orange cross track from the videos was pretty sweet. But I think for the rest of the nights, we're just gonna kind of lay low, maybe watch some Monday Night Football, and we got a big old feast that we got from the local Walmart of all places. So we're just gonna chill, lay low, and enjoy the rest of the night before riding at Snowbird tomorrow. So I just wanna thank you guys so much again for watching. Hope to see you in a boot. We'll see you guys in the next one.